Can Great Value Wipes remove bacteria from my home? I tested it, let's find out. So in order to test how well these Great Value Wipes remove bacteria from my home, what I'm going to do is take a petri dish just like this guy here and label them A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab various areas around my home, like my kitchen sink drain, bathroom sink, and toilet rim, and I'll place those samples in the section labeled B for before. Then I'm going to clean according to the directions on the disinfecting wipes, swab the area again, and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. C is just a contamination control for me. If you watch my channel, you know I've already tested the Lysol wipes, so if you're looking for that, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. But I do want to point out that these Lysol wipes and the Great Value wipes have different active ingredients, okay? So right here on the front it says kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, and on the back it says kills 99.9% of bacteria in 15 seconds. All right, let's read the directions for use. There's two separate directions. One if you're going to do disinfecting, and the second one if you're going to do sanitizing. So disinfecting is going to include bacteria and viruses. Sanitizing is just going to include bacteria. I'm only interested in the bacteria removal because that's what I can test. So I'm going to follow the sanitizing directions, but I do want to read you the disinfecting directions as well. So in order to disinfect, you have to wipe hard non-porous surfaces with the wipe until it's visibly wet. Use enough wipes to keep the surface wet for 4 minutes. Then allow the area to air dry. So that's really interesting. So if you're using these wipes for virus removal, that's a 4-minute wet time on your surface. So you might have to re-wet and re-wipe your surface during that 4-minute interval if it dries up before then. And I only say that because I've tested products that have 6-minute wait times, 5-minute wait times, and oftentimes I have to reapply. Let's read the directions for sanitizing, which is what I'm going to test. To sanitize hard, non-porous, non-food contact surfaces, wipe surface using enough wipes to allow the treated surface to remain visibly wet for 15 seconds. All right, and it lists a bunch of bacteria that it can remove within those 15 seconds. Let the surface dry. So 15 seconds is the same sit time that the Lysol wipes have, so that doesn't surprise me, but remember they do have different active ingredients. So let's see how well the Great Value Disinfecting Wipes remove bacteria from my home. Now for some results. The kitchen sink. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria. In the after section almost all of it's been removed, there's just a few bacterial colonies there. The kitchen sink drain. In the before section we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section we can see a visible decrease in bacteria. The bathroom sink. In the before section we can see a tremendous amount of bacteria, and in the after section there's no bacterial growth at all. The toilet rim. In the before section there's a tremendous amount of bacteria, and in the after section there's no bacterial growth at all. So overall the Great Value Disinfecting Wipes did a great job of removing bacteria around my home with just 15 seconds of contact time. Was able to remove almost all the bacteria in that kitchen sink, struggled a little bit with the kitchen sink drain, but the bathroom sink and the toilet rim removed the bacteria just fine. Now remember, my tests do have a bit of a limitation in that they're only showing how much bacteria is removed that's in the environment. It's not showing pathogenic bacteria, and it's also not showing viruses. I did purchase these in lemon scent, and it is actually a slightly pleasant lemon scent. It doesn't have quite the same chemical type scent that my Lysol wipes have. It's also not a pure citrus scent that some more natural cleaners have. It's not a super overpowering scent, but it does have a chemical lemon scent to it. The wipes themselves are very strong. I do like them a lot. They're just a strong, good wipe. Nothing ripped. They're not flimsy or anything. They are a good, strong wipe. If there's a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comment section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care have yourselves a great day.